Commission mandate Singalwalia. Planning Commission mandate Singalwalia. Planning Commission mandate Singalwalia. Central government. Central government. Central government. Vikale, Vikale. Vikale, Vikale. Vikale, Vikale.
மத்திய அரசு தனியார்மயத்தை கைவிடு. மத்திய அரசு மன்மோகன் அரசு தனியார்மயத்தை கைவிடு. விற்காதே விற்காதே ஏர்போர்ட்டை விற்காதே. ஆயிரம் தனியார் இருக்கா? மத்திய அரசு நீதான் இருக்கு. எல்லா துறையும் தனியார் இருக்கு. மத்திய அரசு நீதான் இருக்கு.
No, our main demand is not to privatize to Chennai, Calcutta and other non-metro airports, because Prime Minister has given assurance in the name of tripartite committee they will not do any privatization in future. In the year of 2009 they have given a report.
What is your future plan?
No, we are conducting our course of action for last 40 days. Today we have come to relay hunger strike from 22nd to 25th. Even if the government has not listening our views, our demand, our agitation will be more intensified, and we are ready to go for strike also.
So already Airport Authority is having a lot of lands in thousands of acres. So those bidders, those who are coming for privatization, they are interested only for airport, not for airport, running the airport. They are only interested to take over the lands and to construct the mall, shopping complex and star hotels. So it is not the duty of Airport Authority of India to construct the stall and the malls and run the 5-star hotels. So our basic requirement, our basic duty is to run the airport and doing service to the passengers, service to the air passengers. That is our main motto. But the government of India is deviating from that agenda and giving the lands to the private parties to earn good revenue for them. Already in Delhi, Bombay handing over that they have taken over so much of land, so much acres of land, so much of 1,000 acres of land by private parties, and they are doing their business for their own interest. Even already in 2006 when Delhi and Bombay was privatized, so there was a tripartite committee meeting consisting of Prime Minister Office, Civil Aviation Minister and Airport Authority of India and Airport Authority Joint Forum. In that they have made an agreement that after Delhi and Bombay privatization, no airport will be privatized. All the airports will be maintained. All the airports will be modernized by Airport Authority of India. So after that, Government of India and Civil Aviation Department and this Planning Commission is violating all the rules and regulation and going away from the tripartite committee meeting. So on that basis, we have opposed central trade unions have joined together and they have given a call. This demonstration and hunger strike is being conducted all 127 airports. That our agitation will be intensified. Even we are ready for go on a strike, complete lockout. No aircraft movement will be conducted in Chennai and other airports. So all the political leaders, all political parties and all the central trade unions, they are supporting our good cause.